In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Login for Shopify Store. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage the main settings for your store, including customer account options. Once you are inside the admin area, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. From there, select Customer Accounts. This section controls how customers sign in and interact with their accounts on your store. When you are on the Customer Accounts page, find the section called Accounts in Online Store and Checkout. In that area, click Edit. This will open the account settings, so you can adjust how login appears for your customers and which account experience your store uses. Next, make sure the option to show the login link is enabled. Check the box for Show Login Link in the header of your store and checkout. This is important because it makes the login option visible to your customers when they visit your site. If this is not enabled, customers may not easily find where to sign in. After that, choose New Customer Accounts. This is the key part of the setup. The New Customer Accounts experience supports one-click social login options, including Google, without requiring a separate app. That means Shopify handles the Google login option more natively, which makes the setup simpler and the customer experience smoother. Using New Customer Accounts can also help reduce friction during sign-in. Customers can log in faster, and that can improve convenience during both browsing and checkout. If your goal is to make account access easier, this setting is the one you want to use. Once you have selected New Customer Accounts and confirmed that the login link is turned on, click Save. This applies the changes to your store. After saving, your Shopify store will be set up to use the newer customer account system, which includes support for Google Login as part of the social sign-in experience. It is a simple setup, but each setting matters, so take a moment to verify that everything was saved correctly. If needed, you can also preview your storefront and check the header area to confirm that the login link is visible. That way, you can make sure customers will be able to access the sign-in option without confusion. That covers everything you need to know.